We have to diffuse the situation. Pero unacceptable yung nangyari. Unacceptable yung nangyari. Kayo ang witness. Kanina ko pa sinasabi, ibaba yung temperature, i-diffuse natin. Pero kita mo ang ginawa ng ahente ng NBI palabas, ginulpi pa yung isang usaa. So, accompanied by a couple of senators, we're going to talk to the NBI director now. And we have to put some logic in everything that's going to happen. Pero hindi pwedeng unpunished yung ito. Hindi pwedeng sa police, sa BJMP, sa NBI, may mga ganyan ang utak. Utak, yung masugulero ba na you don't use logic, you use your fist. Hindi pwede yun.
Nag-usap na po kayo yung sakitan kanina, binugbog yung tatlo.
Yes, we declared them in contempt. So yung mga dineclare namin in contempt, hindi sila pwedeng umalis. They have to be detained. So just because he's an agent at siya'y OSAA, hindi mo, still the agent of authority nun was the OSAA. So assault on a person of authority ang ginawa ng taga-NBI.
So,
Identified na SP na sila yung naghahabol kanina kay SP, ay kay
I haven't gotten the report. Kasama ngayon ng bago nating OSAA, si Director. So let me talk to the Director. I'll report back to you.
Make way po tayo, please. Thank you po. Salamat po.
paano mag-diffuse itong gulo, itong tension ngayon?
Justice.
William.
Diba? There has to be una usap, then kailangan may usapan ano yung proseso. But dapat lahat ng nagkasala will be brought to justice.
Opo, and then si Senator Bato de la Rosa definitely hindi guys.
Yes, definitely. Wala naman, unless they can have a valid Philippine water. It should be a Philippine water.
And then